Okay, fine. So now I am going to develop this template. So in this template, I have to name it this one. The name I have to say this one name something first dot html. I'm going to store this one like in my desktop training. So here I'm saving this one all files. Okay. So in this notepad I didn't have anything else. Sorry. I have to save as a dot html, not not html. Then only web, web, web content will be taken this one. Yes. Okay. Now, for every HTML tag, every HTML page, like every web page, that web page will be start from the HTML and end with the starting and tag. Okay. In between the HTML, we have one more section is the head tag. So this head tag mainly using for including the information. So that includes are it might be a any linking or any CSS files or any JSS file, JavaScript file or jQuery or Bootstrap, Bootstrap or something AngularJS. Nowadays we have AngularJS. Next JSON. Okay, and then something what are the includes if you want to, because the includes are main thing is some properties it will be. Yeah, I'm recording this one. No issue. The thing is, in HTML page, head tag is main importance is to include in the external libraries. The library is nothing but it having some functionalities. It having some importance. So those importance will be we are not developing every time. We just like in the externally. So that file, that program or that coding will be there in the some external or internal, whatever it may be. Those things we have to know here. So everything we have to include in this head tag only. So the head tag main importance is to include in the either internal or external information. Okay. Now I am going to write about one template. Develop the template. The template is the this one. Okay. Same template I am going to develop. So whatever it may be, if you want to develop any template or any web page, everything we are writing in the body. Okay. So in this one, I have to write the bread factory. Something is this is the background information. So I'm not writing the background information here itself. Okay. Next one is I want to write about the menu bar. So this menu bar we can develop by using the three things, either table or menu item or something. What are the tags available in the menu bar? Those things we can develop in menu bar. Okay. And one more thing is some images. So these images also I have to first I have to divide this one into the three part. So we can use for three parts, either division tag open and close, if it is HTML5 we can use for section also. We can same thing what are the division tag is providing, those things is provided in the section, but in HTML4 only division is there, but HTML5 itself they introducing the section tags. So many tags are there. The importance of section is it will be allow for multimedia kind of things, but when you are coming to the division it won't be allow for multimedia kind of things. So you can go with anything, but if you are using for Bootstrap, because suppose if you are using for any any website like any railway reservation system or airlines reservation system, nowadays so many people are booking the tickets by using the tablets or mobile or by using the landline computer using internet, but the screen which is available in the desktop and the screen which is available in the tablet or mobile are different. So we have whenever the website is only one, but we have to provide the compression techniques. The website is like initially it was configured or deployed in the one server, but by using the same website it should be flexibly available to the large screen, medium screen and small screen, both the things. So to provide this kind of functionalities, to provide this kind of facilities, nowadays we are using the bootstrap techniques. The bootstrap is a one technique. It has some functionalities. Those functionalities internally it is inbuilt. So we have to do that one. But when you are going to this one, first I have to know about the some background color. For example, initially I don't know anything else. Simply I'm writing one paragraph. For paragraph means hi, how are you? So every HTML tag should be start and open and close, and I'm using a div tag inside the here, and same way I am using for one more paragraph tag. I am fine. Okay, and third paragraph. What about today class? Okay, this is the three sections. So I am not applying anything else. Simply I am sorry. Simply I am saving this one. I have to check this one whether it is working or not. Whether it is coming or not, I have to check this one. Then after I have to apply for CSS properties and everything. So my page name is the first name. I have to double click this one. It will be coming. Hi, how are you? And I am fine. What about today's class? Okay, this is the things, the output. Okay, fine. But I have to apply this page like in this way. I have to apply the background color for this section only. I have to apply one more background color for this section, and some more somewhat background color for this section. If you are imagine this one is a three sections, and I have to apply for three sections. So to apply in the background color is two ways. One is the using like a CSS code, and another one is the by directly we have to apply the tag itself. But using BG color earlier days, so many people are using, if you want to background color, they are using simply BG color uh, equal to double quotes something like blue. Simply if you are using this one means it will be show the blue color, this kind of things. But this is a olden technique, but it will take the some mistakes, because some properties will be missing. So suppose whatever the website or web pages we are developing, that web page should be executed in the Internet Explorer as well as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or and other web browsers also. So, but there is some differences between the Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla. Some functionalities are missing, or some properties are missing. We have to show the all the properties. Our web page should be executed. What are the output in the Google Chrome? Same output should be coming in the Mozilla Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and as well as other web browsers also. This kind of functionalities we have to provide, and we have to take care about all the functionalities should be available in the all web browsers. These things we have to see. But background color is a olden technique. We have to apply it in the tag base, because this BG color only applicable in the tag level only. It's not applicable for body of the things. So now my plan is I have to add the CSS file. So for CSS style, whatever the CSS style, whether you are using the tag level or like internal or external. Internal means whatever the CSS style, everything we have to write inside the like this header tag itself. So in the header tag itself, I am writing all the things. For example, I am writing here. So the style tag should be available in the header tag only. I have to apply for div one. So this is the div and one more section here. In this page, in body of the page, I have two div and one section. If it is div is same, like if I am applying tag base like div background bs hyphen color colon um, some black close next section. So this is the one type of style. We are giving the direct background properties to the tag level tag by using the tag name. By using tag name only, we are giving the uh, property. The property is the background color. Okay, I'm saving this one. I have to check once again what is output. See, in this one, I am using the two sections, three sections having the two colors. Why these two colors is coming? The thing is here, where is output? Yeah, here only I am given the in style tag itself only one div, one background color. Section is one section, one background color. But in body, how many divs are there? There are two divs. So I am using the tag name. That's why all divs having the same color. If it is 100 divs having the same color. Suppose what is the need of separately dividing the division separately, and again I have to provide for color same color. That is the importance I have to take care. And one more thing is background color. So this background color is applicable to all divisions. So I know I won't require for same color for all the divisions. I want one division is one color and another division is another color. Like if it is 100 division means 100 colors I need. So to develop this kind of things, there is a one way. The way is the using either ID or class. Okay. I am going to show about by using the ID and class also. Here total 5 divs are there. Inside the div tag starting itself ID equal to some 1. Here one more ID equal to ID is a name. It's not no need to write about these things. Hi. Okay. Save it, and I have to give for ID by using the ID we have to give for hash. Okay. Have to check. Yeah, okay. In this one, the code is what I am doing. I am just taking the ID name. ID name is the ID equal to some name and ID equal to some name. But inside the code, what are the things I have? I have only just ID division tag only. In this division tag, I have some code, some information. How this thing style is applicable by using the ID name, it will be applicable to the all things according to that one. But before division tag, wherever is division is there, all the divisions, because if I am having one more division, suppose I have one more division, this division does not have any ID. Just imagine this one. This division does not have any ID. Just see output. Because if you are not giving any ID or class, all division tags are getting the black color. If you are giving the any ID name or class name means different, wherever the division having the or wherever the tag having the ID name, the tag only applicable to the that related styles. Like this way, everything is happened. Okay. If you want to apply for background image, there is a property is there. The property name is the background uh, image image and URL. We have to apply for URL also. That URL maybe if it should be applicable for here something image should be take care about some URL. I will show that one later. But this is the things we have to say. And one more thing is by using this class also. Instead of I am taking the ID, I am taking the class. Okay. If you want to write about ID means hash we are writing, but if you want to write the class means we are writing the class. But what is the difference between ID and class? But the thing is ID is only applicable to the that related ID names. But the thing is, if I have in inner classes, suppose right now I have only one division. Suppose one more division like division open, and inside the division I have one more division. Division open and Like this, something, so many divisions are there. Okay. What is the class definition? Class is a collection of members. So what if you are apply for this dot class file, like a class, all the class having the same ID. But if you are applying for ID, only wherever you are applying the ID, that suppose if I am applying ID to this division part only applicable to that name. Otherwise, if I am applying the ID for this division part only applicable to the style. Like this way it will be applicable. But if you are applying for class, whatever the class having that members, even same members or objects, whatever it may be, all the objects and members having the same property. ID means only say, individual. So for example, if you are taking about classroom, like if a school itself classroom, if our school follows the uniform, means all the people are like apply having the same uniform dress. But if it is Saturday or weekend, there is a option to wear different dresses. So Saturday is comes under ID, because individually everyone not having the same color, everyone is not wearing the same color dress. So that is a Saturday is the ID kind of style. And remaining Monday to Friday is the class kind of things, everyone having the same uniform color, so same style. So this is the style which is applicable to the ID and class. But the style which is applicable to the ID is like using a hash ID name, and if it is a class means dot class name. So now we are getting the how to develop the web pages using ID and class. For example, you can see now I didn't give anything else. So like this way it coming. So in this one, in this web page, what are the things I have? I have like one background color. Suppose I have to develop this one. I have to, like what I'm saying, I have to increase the body of this text, like body of this like division. So I don't know about the anything else. So only thing I have to inspect this one. Why I'm today I'm explaining inspect element. Not only you and not only me, every developer using the inspect element, not only developing for web pages. Sometime in server side coding, we are getting the problem. Sometimes we are not getting the proper information from the web pages UI. At UI level, so which variable having the that related information, which variable take care about taking that related information value. If you want to find, inspect element is the only one source. By using the inspect element, we have to know about the particular element, particular place, and particular address, everything. Suppose if I want to increase this size, not only this one, suppose this one, I have to inspect this element. So here, what are the things suppose in body of the class and section. Suppose I want to increase the section, okay, and here the styles are available. Just see here. Okay, the styles which is applicable for here. For example, division ID is there. Okay, this is the style. Suppose height, H-E-I-G-H-T, height equal to 100 pixel. See, my size is increased or not? Just observe all of them. How to increase the size? Suppose if you don't know about pixel, how much size you required. For example, in this one, the size of the image, you don't know about the exact pixel size of this image. So you have to increase the size and height and width. One more property is the width colon 100 px. Okay, and the thing is it's not apply. Okay, one more thousand I have to put. Okay, if I want to height, if I want to increase the height, for example, using select that height, you have to use the up and down arrows. Suppose if I want to increase the height, I am using the up arrow. Automatically the size, just observe all the people how the increasing of the height. I am just clicking the up arrow in my keyboard, up arrow. If I want to decrease the arrow, I am using the down arrow. So the size will be automatically decreasing. I have to choose where I have to do. So these are the properties which is available in the here. But the thing is, float some so many properties are there in in CSS file left. Okay. See, my earlier it's not coming because float is a very important. Float means it's come from left. See in this image in this page, it having the something the border which is applicable to class, that is start from the left, because float means it comes from either left or right or top or down. For example, if I am giving this one right, instead of writing left, I am giving the right. See, the image will be coming right. All of them observing this one or not? Just observe this one. If you are giving the left, it will be coming left side. If you are giving right, it will be given the right side. And one more thing is, if you want to increase the width, you can increase it as much as possible. So this is the way we have to every developer, UI developer or like programmer, everyone doing this kind of things. Okay, all of them is okay for this one. So I am reduce. I am like by default width I am taking. No issue. But I have reduced this one also. It will coming like this. So for example, this is the output you require. Otherwise, if you want to output this way, so you have to copy these properties. What are the properties here? You have to copy this one and go to the source, and you have to type paste this code in the. So I am applying for high. So I am applying this one. Just save this one and again you have check it. Check the output. Then you can observe this one. Okay, so I'm applying for high, like the high having the yellow background color, so that's why this one is changed. Okay, for example, if you want to change the blue color, so you have to go to the blue color inspect element. Already we are in inspect element, so if you not find, you can go by like this also. And the thing is here, this is the style for we have to do this one. Here also float left, left, semicolon, height is height 100 pixel, and width is 200 pixel. So based on my requirement, I will take the this one. So for example, I have to take care about blue color. Something is blue color is going something else. So these things I have to copy this one height and all the things. This one I have to paste in the HTML page. So in that HTML page, what are the things I required? Same thing I have to change. This is the way I have to develop all the things. Okay, I have to save this one. I have to check. I didn't copy anything else. Same code is coming. Okay, or if you want to change for this second division. So for example, you can take for a high, not high, one division, and one division styles. In the style, I have to give for some what I have to say, background color, background image, or font color, font, font red. If the style is applicable, then it will be accept. Otherwise, it won't be accept. So font is not taken, italic. So if you want to change this one, you can change the font to italic, something else like this. You have to change that one. For example, if you are opening for W3 schools, the W3 schools we have like CSS tutorial. In this one, suppose I want to write about fonts. Okay, in this fonts we can write about different kind of fonts. Here you can just imagine Times New Roman. What are the things I have to apply? Like this is the IDA font family. Font family I have to apply to this one Times New Roman. Okay. So same style I have to apply to my coding also. I have to apply for division tag. Okay. How to save? I have to check that one. It will become definitely Times New Roman. I have to increase the font size. Then you can easy to observe that one. Okay. Size of the font. What are the things? So many. These all are properties available in the W3 schools, because W3 schools is a WW or World Wide Web. World Wide Web people only develop this site. So everyone, if every developer or every UI developer or server side developer, everyone looking W3 schools, because this is a website is developed by the WW group. So what are the functionalities? What are the properties available in the HTML, CSS, JavaScript? Everyone looking here. So these are all the things we have to see in this my like template. I have image. I don't know about, suppose I don't know about how to add the image. So there is image gallery. So in this image gallery, what is the output of this one? You can see here. So in this one, the output is looking like this: four images. For example, I have how many images in my? I have only just three images, and another three images is in the new row. So like this way, if I want to add this one, for example, I have to add margin. Like this is the margin. So margin is nothing but the outline of this one, 5 pixel, and then border. Border is the 1 pixel size. So the thing is, what are the this solid line? Solid black line is the border. Suppose if you are increasing the border, like 10, you can see the size of the border is increasing. Are all of the people are observing this one or not? So suppose my size of the border is a 15. You can see here output also. So 15. So this is the border, and width. The size of the width also will be increased. 1800 means it will be size will be increased definitely. For example, my size will be decreasing. Instead of 1800, I am giving only 15. Okay, you can see here. Now the images will be very slow. Like if I am instead of 15, I have write 100. You can see here. Likewise, I'm taken. But the thing is, whenever you want to add this kind of things, I have to suffer. For example, I don't have any web page, any images. For example, I have to download some images. Okay, images of flowers. Okay, I'm downloading for 2 3 images. Okay, images, images one. I'm copying the images. This is the two. This is the three. So three images I'm copying. Three images I'm going to add here. But the thing is, when you are going to write about images, I have to take care about images coding and all the things. But the thing is, images you can directly applying using the tag base. And another one is the external images also. External image right now, no need to take care about external image. Just you have to see about how to add the image. For image tag, this is img is the tag which is applicable to everything. Okay, so I am copying the image tag, and wherever I need a image icon, there I have to paste this one. But the thing is, I have to take care about image tag and image name. So my image name is the one. src I have to give full path. I have to give for full path. This is the height and width. Okay, fine. But I have to give for full path of the image. So my path of image is the downloads. So I have to give for this path. Image 1. You save this one. Now you can observe the output. Now you can easy to understand what are the things here. There is a file training first.css. See, the image is coming. For example, if you want to increase the image size, then you have to go for the again CSS file. So otherwise you can manually can give for example, here the size of the images height width are given in tag itself. If you are using this kind of programming, it is not good for mobile screening, like mobile large screen, medium screen, and small screen. So this type of coding is good for medium screen and large screen, but this is not preferable always good, because this kind of, if it is if you are using mobile, the image will not be compressing, the image will be cut. Yeah, so instead of we have to use this one, we are going to use for height and width in the CSS style, then it will be coming. Okay, where is the image? My image tag is in the p tag, in default div tag. So in div tag I am giving the height and width. Okay, width is 300. So px, for example, I don't know how to give the CSS. For example, just imagine I have to run this program. Yeah. Okay, I have to run, and I don't know about how to give the images tag, and I have to go to the inspect element. So in this inspect element, I have to go the inspect element. So my image is here. So I am going to write about style for this image. So height, height, height. So 100 or 1000, or something you can reduce the element information. Instead of 1000, I have to give the 100, or something like 500. I will give for 250. Is good. Okay, 250 fix px. Then I have to give the width. So whenever you are using the, see here, the properties, these all properties is available in the CSS things. So you can use any property, word wrap, word spacing, break, changes, everything is available. You, based on this your requirement, you have to give the size also. I am giving the 100. So 100 is not good for looking. I have to change the 150. 150 not good. So I have to change the not 120. 120 is very less. I have to give the 200. Okay, 200 is somewhat better compared to the other things. Based on this one, based on my requirement, based on the image requirement, I have to change the pixel size also. So same code. What are the code I have to see? By seeing output, we can see this is the output we will get. So same code I have to copy and paste in the style. So this code will be coming and paste here. So same way I have to do for all the things. For example, same code, same image tag is available, like same image tag is applicable to the all of div tag. Just imagine. So I have three images, and here also I have one more three images. Likewise, I have all the things have the image. You just see now output, you will get something else. So different images are there. But I need these images, all the images coming one after another. Like down, it coming from down. And I won't read for down. I need for some position. All the images require some position. How to get these images for beside this one? So to get this one, I have to see for some alignment. So image starting position, ending position, this kind of things I have to see. For example, if I want to see about this image, inspect element, go to the inspect element. Okay, go to the style, float left, float left, and next one is the float not left, sorry, float left. Then position, position is fixed or relative or absolute. Relative and absolute. Generally, everyone using the relative and absolute. Absolute means wherever you are given. Suppose I am sitting in my chair. If anyone want to sit my chair, they won't ask for myself. They simply come and sit in my chair itself. Even though I am sitting in my chair, they simply sitting in my chair. So the thing is, absolute means what are the address is they given, same address whether it is there or not, otherwise it will be override. For example, yes, some images are override on top of another one. So this is the things absolutes are there. Relative means even if the image is there, so for example you can see here the image start from the here, and another image somewhat some gap bit, some gap after it will be starting. Like this, all the images are started from some gap, because these all are relative. Because relative means if anything is there, it will be start from something is nearest to somewhere where it is able to like place, or where it is able to display in the things. So that is the things are there. If you want exactly the particular place, we have to see the absolute and fixed, inherit, and initial, relative. Everything has some information. For example, you can take the absolute and position. Next one is the padding from the left. Okay, and starting position. Some properties are there. The properties look like here. For example, what are the properties we have in CSS? You can see here. In this CSS, something positions are there. In that position, static, relative, something else. So in this one, border, position, static. Or border, relative. Relative means how these things are coming, left or right. Left side 300. So for example, I have to start the image from left side. For example, you can see here. There is output. Here I have to give the left side position 300, because the left side position is this one. I have to increase not for 30 position. I have to start from the something else. You can see here my image is moving because I don't know where I have to place. So then for finding for pixel is somewhat different. So to finding the pixel size, like this way I have to see. This is the my image. I have to move my image to somewhere else. Okay, and second, and this is the one type of position. Okay, this is the code. I have to copy and paste. Where I have to paste, where my in source, in my source. So in my source I have to go to the copy this code, and I have to paste in the uh, in styles itself. So this is the way we have to see everything. For example, I need three images. See, something is automatically coming. For example, I have to take the inspect element. So this image. So in this image, I have to take the information. I have to reduce the something else. See, something else it will be coming. And whenever the thing is, the position is start from the from left side of the screen, it will be coming. So now to 196, 195. So this 195 pixel are the left side from the screen. And if I want to down, if I want to get this one down, so then top. From top, the pixel should become 50 pixel. So I have to check where it is. So by seeing the increasing of the thing, the maybe sometime this property is not applicable, or not or bottom, top, down, not top, up or down. We have to see those things, and not up. Better to take up. Something is not applicable up. We will see later this one. Okay. So like this way we have to see for left. And one more thing is in a CSS file we have one more position, left, right. Yeah, this is the which one, bottom and up. Sorry, we are seeing bottom. Okay, right, width, border. Okay, now by seeing this properties we can see for something else. Okay, in this way we can see here where it is. See the border and one more thing, bottom. From bottom to the image is going to up. In this one you can see here how the image is going to up. I want to go up and I want to left side of the some position. So I have to change the value also. Now the value will be, right value will be 0. Now I want to increase the right value. Suppose if I am increasing the right value, so what is the value? So if I increasing the if the right value minus will be increasing means the image will be going to right side. So I am increasing the positive values. So I want to increase that one. So like this, I have to increase. If I increasing this one bottom, and again I have to increase the right side. So wherever I required, I am putting that one. In this way, if you are doing all the things will be coming good. Okay, you can see all the source code and observing the inspect element and all the things is good for every time, because nowadays AngularJS is very popular. Without writing the server side coding, everything is coming from here. See, all the things is coming. Something else is coming. We have to observe. So we have to align these images one to another. This is the way we have to do for that one. So by seeing this my template, so they are arranging the all the images in the left to right on particular order. So we have to arrange this one by using the inspect element from top to down, or using the top position, bottom, down position. Next one is like up position and down position. Next one left and right. These things we have to use, and background color. So and again so many properties are there. By seeing this one, all the properties is applicable. Suppose if you want to give the navigation bar or drop down list, for drop down list there are different kind of things are there, and alignment, image gallery. So suppose if you are opening any web pages, so many image galleries, automatically it moving. So to moving this kind of things, for alignment and everything we are doing by using the CSS. For automatic moving or automatic changing the images, we are writing for JavaScript code. And nowadays so many people are using for like code for flexibility. For example, here in my images, just see here, it's not flexible for all the things images. So this is not good. Uh, see in this one, this is the screen for example, where is my output? uh, Once again I have to show. For example, if I am increasing my size, the image should not be, because this is a Google page. The Google page people are using for bootstrap. So that's why if you are increasing the size or decreasing the page also, the image, see, the images are compressing. The image should not be changing. For example, my images, my output, you can see my output. This is my output. I didn't apply for my output for any bootstrap coding, this kind of things. So that's why it's not coming. If it is a bootstrap kind of things, it will become automatically, but we are not applying for any boost. So whenever you're applying for Bootstrap, this is the app. So it will automatically coming. The thing is, for seeing for scales and all the things is coming. By seeing output, all the things should be good every time. Like this. See, whatever the web application we are developing, it should be good for all the people. If it large screen or small screen, how the small screen. This is, we have to test for all the things. So this is for mobile applications. For mobile, we have for like minimum is the 200 pixel and maximum is the something else, tablets and all the things we have to check for our website. So to do for this one, we have to see, this is the Google page. Google people are using for in header. You can see for Google what they're using in a header itself. They're using the some script tag. So some links are there, style sheet links. Some links are some default and so many. 1 minute. Hello. Surya garu cheppandi. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, 5 minutes నేను క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను. 5 minutes లో నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? Okay, okay, okay. Like this way we have to develop. See here, Google people, this is a Google page. They are using for so many style links. So that's why these links are we are applicable for all the screens. So that's why if you want to develop any web pages, so many things we have to do. So the thing is, if you want to install for any Bootstrap, all the things, it just no need to download or no need to put anything else. Bootstrap, yeah, Bootstrap. In this one, not Bootstrap. bootstrap. For example, you don't know about anything means, suppose here bootstrap. The thing is in bootstrap, get started with the bootstrap. No need to write anything else. You just add these links in your script tag. Sorry. So if you are applying this script into in our script, our like sorry, in head tag itself we have to write, and we have to close this script also. So then our page also will become it is a bootstrap. We can easy to compress our page, bootstrap kind of things. Okay, this is the one way for Chrome. Okay, this is the way we have developed for all the things. I already showed to you now how to compress these things. We have to check this one. Okay, now I stop the session. Try to develop for what you say, our images, like our templates, at least two templates we have, like tomorrow we don't have any session because I am in leave tomorrow, and tomorrow like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So total at least every day one template, we have tried to develop one template. And if it is Monday, I will see for all the people templates. If you are able to reach a particular template, at least 90% or 70%, whatever it may be, you try to develop that one. Wherever you are facing the problem, or wherever you are facing the trouble for applying the CSS style, or trouble to apply for any properties, I will help you definitely. But you try to develop. But the thing is, you just go through the template and go through the W3 schools and go through the your output. This this triangle shape. You have to go for this triangle shape. Within these 4 days, you are the genius in the UI development. Once if you are developing this kind of things, at least 4 to 10 templates, then you will get the good confidence. Once if you are getting the good confidence in the UI development, then if you are learning Angular JS, it is very easy. But nowadays in US market, everyone is asking Angular JS with server side programming. So that's why I'm like giving the talk on template designing. So try to develop all the people. Each and every day is one template. It's very 1 hour. If you hardly if you're spending for 1 hour, you are able to develop all the things by seeing W3 schools, by seeing the output of the template, and your coding. By seeing these three things, half an hour or 20 minutes, you can easily develop. If it is hardly, if you just if you know about the importance of each and every tag, this is a template to develop for 10 minutes. Nothing else. There is no like a difficulty in this template. This 10 minutes, hardly it will take 10 minutes. If you know just basic level of knowledge of each and every tag, that is the time it will take. Yeah, now we are the freshers. Now we are now we are in the starting time. So that's why it will take 1 hour or 2 hours initial time. If one template, if you are finishing means, it will next template, it will be finished within half an hour or half of the time of earlier time. So like this way you have to. So you have to take for challenging for this one. Try to develop for every day is one template. If we are developing for 4 templates means, I will start for Angular JS from Monday onwards. And as well parallelly, I have to plan for JSP and servlets and database connections, how to make for some MVC kind of things, and what are the ORM mapping, this kind of things we'll see. Okay, I will stop the
గారు
session
నాకు
now.
ఒక డౌట్ అండి.
చెప్పండి.
యాంగులర్ జేఎస్ సిఎస్ఎస్ రెండింటికి ఫంక్షనాలిటీ ఒకటేనా? సారీ, బూట్ స్ట్రాప్ అండ్ సిఎస్ఎస్.
అంటే బూట్ స్ట్రాప్ లో కొన్ని ఏమంటారంటే 1 minute